Land of Happiness is a legal drama film, Korean 2024, about the President Park assassination of 1979. Now, there's been plenty of movies about this, but this is about a sort of legal thriller, not thriller, legal drama about the men involved. There's the KCIA director and his 7 men, 8 of them total, are going to be in a court. Obviously, the military regime at the time wanted a closed court date because it's becoming a shift of power, and of course other people wanted an open court case. So we're following Heung-ju. He is a shyster lawyer, kind of like Saul Goodman, who doesn't care about who's right or wrong. He cares about who wins and loses, so he often uses dirty tactics. He's recruited by a large group of lawyers who are going to represent the KCIA director in this trial. So the first thing he has to do is convince the court to try Park Tae-ju as not a soldier, but as a civilian like the others, because he's trying to save this man's life. Mainly because the man's got a nice family, but also justice. But they're facing a stacked deck. There's a lot of bias. There's a lot of trickery. They're going up against David and Goliath-like legal story. This movie is pretty well balanced. It's got Sun-kyun in the lead role. He's really good in this film. It's a terrible tragedy what happened to him, but he plays the role so well as Park Tae-ju. He's a stern, stoic family man. Not a lot of dialogue. He has to sort of act with just his face and his demeanor. And you get the more chattier Heung-ju, who's sort of trying to use any advantage they can in the courtroom. And there's also some bullying from other people. And there's a lot going on in this movie. It's a very heavy drama film, but it's mostly a sort of tribute to people who got unfairly taken in the legal proceedings that happened after the death of the president and other things going on too. The movie doesn't try to shy away from the sort of political things that were going on at the time. The dictatorships is a really great role from Chung. He, a lowly colonel who'd slowly rise to power. Wonderful scenes with him. And overall, the movie does have some awkward tonal shifts, some comedic bits, a little bit on the long side the film is, but overall, it's still a pretty interesting drama. I didn't know anything about this. I don't know anything about... I know about the President Park assassination, but it's a large Korean history thing, but I've only seen a couple movies about it. I don't know too much about the whole political climate at the time, but the movie still interested me with its characters and its plot and everything. I guess not a lot of good subplots in this, but overall, solid enough legal drama, definitely moving, emotional. It's hard to watch the main actor, because he's passed now, but pretty solid film overall. I give Land of Happiness a 7 out of 10.